What's up, craft kids?
Who doesn't need the best Halloween decoration, the spookiest Halloween decoration? I know we do. So today, the mystery guest is going to be using black paper. I'm going to be using white paper just to show you what to do if you don't have black. So ready? Let's get started. Fist bump. All right, for today's lesson, all you need is what you see in front of you. So what do you need? If you're doing Odin's version, which is he's using black paper, what do you need?
Scissors and a white pencil.
Okay, and then if you're doing white paper, if you don't have black paper, you just need a Sharpie, scissors, and we both need googly eyes. Awesome. So we're gonna try to draw this in a nice, easy beginner lesson style. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn our papers sideways because we want the bat's wings to be as wide as they can. And in the middle, you're gonna do either a circle or an oval, whatever is easier for you. What do you wanna do today?
Oval.
We'll do an oval, okay. So we'll make it like an oval where it's taller than it is wide. Okay, ready? They don't have to be perfect, do they, Odin?
No.
At Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
Fun.
That's right, fun. So Odin's oval was a little small to start with. He's gonna draw around the eyes, or you don't actually have to go fully around, but like at least they can be hanging over a little bit, but make your oval bigger, okay? Yes, that's really, really good, okay? So we're gonna flip his over. You won't see all these white lines, all right? And on the top of our ovals, we're gonna put an M, the letter M. Those are the bat ears. Good, so that's an uppercase M. And then underneath, we're gonna put a W. And these are gonna be bat legs. So right now, it looks sort of funny. It doesn't look like a bat, really, does it? It kind of helps to have the eyes. Yeah, put your eyes on. What's really gonna make it look like a bat, though, is when we put the bat wings on. Are you ready for this? So it's a big swoop out to the edge. Good. Now we're gonna try to copy that one or mimic it on this side. Okay. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just have some fun with it. Nice job, Odin. Okay, now the wing is gonna connect to the body, but it's gonna connect with little whoops. 1, 2, 3. It's okay if you have more than 3. Good job. Okay, and then on this side, we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna turn my paper so I can do it a little easier. 1, 2, 3. You see how I had to bring the wing down to connect to it, but that's okay. Nice job. Really like that. All right, so now the next step for both of us are, we're gonna take the eyes off again for a little bit. Next step for Odin is to cut out his bat, okay? And the next step for me is to color in my bat. So I'm pretending I didn't have black paper, and I need to color mine in. Then I'll cut mine out as well. All right, you wanna get started on that? We'll fast forward this part, and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is Odin's version. You can see the white drawing on the back. He drew his bat on black paper, and if you don't have black paper, you can just draw it on white paper, color it black, which is what I did. Now we're gonna take our googly eyes. We're gonna place our googly eyes on the bat. These are glow-in-the-dark googly eyes. If you don't have those, you could just use, or if you don't have regular googly eyes, you can just use circles of white paper and just put them on and draw little eyeballs on them. But these are glow-in-the-dark, and there's also they're like little stickers on the back. So we just have to peel those little stickers off, bud. Yeah, these are 2 cool bats. So we have one last step. We're gonna put a piece of string, we're gonna use floss. We're gonna put a piece of string on, we're gonna hang them from the string. so we can bounce them around. Okay?
Harder. Start.
I'll be right back.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay. So, we have floss. Take a little piece of floss like that. Here you go. And another little piece. Ooh. Mine's gonna be a little shorter, but that's fine. Okay. We had just enough floss. Now we're gonna find the tape.
12 seconds later.
Right here.
Oh, that's empty.
No, it's not empty. It's just needs to be restarted. All right, plan B.
Maybe.
Take a piece of this. All right, turn that over. Lay your string down on it, so it's going that way. Right in the middle of the body, like that. Okay, take the tape and place it right in the middle there, so it's not hanging over. Good, perfect. So now your bat can hang like this. We've got our string mounted. Our bats are googly-eyed up, and we're ready to show you an example of what those look like. So here we go.
Here we go. Let's go.
Okay, Odin is flying the bats right now. You can see they're glowing like crazy. They look super cool. Let me do a close-up, okay, Odin? Hold them up. Whoa! Nice. 1, 2, 3. And the mystery guest is Odin! Did you know? Ooh, spooky bats. So this is how they came out. We're gonna hang these up downstairs. Obviously, if we wanted to, we could color the back to make it. Probably should have done that. Odin doesn't really have to because this is black. But the way we're gonna hang them, we're gonna hang them so that they're always facing out like that. So these are super cool. Did you have fun, Odin?
Yeah.
Yeah. And they're nice and easy. A few simple shapes to put them together. And what a great Halloween decoration. So, Odin, what do we say at this point? Until we see you next time. Keep drawing, stay awesome.